Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to move in this ascending wedge. Bear in mind today we've got the interest rate decision, so there will likely be a little bit of up and down and short-term volatility. I mean, maybe not. Little volatility seems to be the standard at the moment in the crypto market, and boring price action. But hey, let's hope there is going to be some volatility. And as I said to you yesterday, obviously we're moving towards a target of around 350. Unless price can show us a clearer structure. At least one more low would be anticipated at the moment. I highlighted to you in the last video that this is not crystal clear to me, this lower degree wave structure, but I show you a like or at least a possible count. Again, this wave 3 could also still be in the making. I'm looking at it as an ending diagonal in a wave 5 in which these sub waves have 3 waves each. And LINK obviously topped here in a wave 4 in a triangle with this E wave in middle of April, and since then has been moving down, broke through the $6 level. That was the important bullish support, and that was broken. You can see what happened, crashed down, and is now just consolidating basically. So consolidation in something that you could call a bear flag, more or less, yeah, ascending wedge, which at the moment would be expected to break to the downside. Now, if it breaks above $6 and sustains there, then we can look at something different, because then it would rally above the level where the fear sell-off started, and it would move back above previous support. Basically, the resistance it formed here, yeah, when it retested previous support, yeah, it moved down, moved up a little bit, retested support for resistance, and then sold off. If it breaks above that level, that would have some bullish implications, but until that is done, I do expect lower prices after it broke below the relevant range support at 530, and before that it broke below Fibonacci support at $6, which was already the warning that it would likely break below the range support. Bear in mind, LINK moved in this range here, or it has moved in this range for a year, right? It was in the range for a year, and now it broke to the downside. I count the wave 4 as a triangle. I think that makes absolute sense. A, B, C, D, E. It's a 5-wave move. You can also count it as some kind of a WXY structure or so, or even WXY-XZ, even though that pattern, I always try to avoid it. It typically doesn't occur. Typically, there's a better alternative. So yeah, it's heading to the downside now, and we have first support at around $4.33. It's more just a level to watch. Yeah, it's more just a level to watch. Simply because the triangle target, if you take the height of the triangle and add it to the end of the triangle, which is the typical way of how to calculate targets as per Elliott wave for triangles, you get to 433. Now, in a volatile market like this, I don't think this has any more meaning than just, it's an interesting level to watch, and we need to pay some attention to it. But until then, until it shows a bullish reversal there, I would expect price to head down lower. And if this really is a wave 4, then we can also formulate standard resistance for the wave 4, which is typically the 38.2 to 50% retracement. So we're talking here about 588. So as long as price stays below 588 anyway, nothing unusual about this structure here. And then above $6, which would be a bit of a breakout point, then something more bullish could occur. But at the moment, I just can't see it while I record this video. Okay, that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.